Hello, everyone. Our next topic of discussion is helping teaching behavior. Remember the 5 points of key teaching behavior? Key, that means main. Those 5 points are those characteristics which are required to be a good teacher. वो main teaching behavior के points हैं. Today's topic is helping teaching behavior. That means these are those characteristics which help the teacher to be a good teacher in a classroom. So before understanding these 5 points, assume yourself in a class as a teacher or you being a student so that you are able to understand these 5 points very nicely. So let's start. So the first point is using student ideas and contributions. Try to understand. A good teacher will use the student ideas and contributions. Now, what happens in a class? When a lecture is being conducted, sometimes students also give their ideas, their opinions, right? So a teacher, a good teacher, what he or she is doing, he or she tries to use those ideas, those contributions of the students to further elaborate the concept, the topic being discussed in the class. So what is this? This is helping teaching behavior. Try to understand this is not main teaching behavior. You have to identify which all 5 points are main teaching behavior, which all 5 points are helping teaching behavior, because you're bound to make a mistake while choosing the options in your final exam, right? Next is structuring. Structuring, very simple. Structuring again is a helping teaching behavior. How? Structuring, in this, try to understand. As a teacher, अगर टीचर ने पिछला जो लेक्चर है वो अच्छे से स्ट्रक्चर किया हुआ था, then in the new lecture, a teacher can sum up what was already taught to the students. ठीक है, वो इन्फॉर्म कर सकता है कि लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने ये पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए थे, एंड इन दिस टुडेस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस. So what is this? This thing is very helpful in becoming a good teacher. This thing, when you are structuring all the points कि क्या मैंने करवाया था और क्या मैं करवाने वाली हूँ क्लास में, तो ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है. This helps you indirectly and you become a good teacher. Next, third point is questioning. Again, very simple. Practically, you see, जो एक अच्छा टीचर है वो क्वेश्चंस पुट ऑन करता है स्टूडेंट्स को in the class. So there can be variety of questions that can be placed to the students. For example, open-ended questions are there, closed-ended questions are there. So this also helps in delivering the lecture in a good manner. So this is helping teaching behavior. Okay. So next, fourth point is probing. Probing is what? Probing means हम as a teacher probe कर रहे हैं students को, encourage कर रहे हैं actually students को, so that they also elaborate on the ideas. For example, जो teacher है वो discuss कर रहा है कोई topic. Example, demand analysis. So as a teacher, if I am probing my students to elaborate, to give their examples, to give their insights, to give their ideas, contributions, right? तो अगर मैं उनको probe कर रही हूँ students को to do this thing, what will happen? A good discussion will take place. Because of that good discussion, everyone in the class is able to understand the concept more nicely. So basically, what is this? Probing, it is a helping teaching behavior. It cannot be the key teaching behavior, right? Last point is teacher effect. This is very easy. As a teacher, you have to build a good relationship with the students. तभी आपकी teaching जो है वो effective होगी, right? So like right now, I'm not able to show you the gestures, the movements, the eye contact, but this is all possible in a classroom teaching. So all these points, how the teacher makes different movements, the gestures, the eye contact, it definitely helps. It definitely helps to make a lecture effective. So these are all the 5 teaching helping behaviors. Please prepare them very nicely. These all points are very much important. Thank you so much.